Friends, in my last video, we have learned the information about the writer or the novelist E.R. Braithwaite of the novel To Sir with Love. Now, there is a summary given in your textbook from the novel To Sir with Love. So, one of the chapter number 17 is given in your textbook. But before taking information about that chapter, we have to learn or we have to know the whole summary of this book To Sir with Love or this novel. So, let's start with the novel To Sir with Love. So, To Sir with Love is a work of fiction. As I told you in my early video, that this is the work of fiction based on the life of the author E.R. Braithwaite, who went to teach in the notoriously rough East End of London after World War II. The main character, Ricardo Braithwaite, works as an engineer in an Aruban oil refinery before immigrating to England shortly before World War II. The time period in which the story takes place is important. The book is set after World War II, during which black people fought and died alongside their white compatriots, only to come back home, whether to Britain or to the United States, and find that racism was still very much present. Braithwaite's teaching positions start out roughly. He considers his students disrespectful, and his students consider him to be an arrogant outsider, unfamiliar with the school environment in which they have grown up. The students harass Braithwaite, slamming their desks while he is lecturing, using foul language, and ultimately burning a sanitary napkin in the classroom. This is the last straw for Braithwaite, who verbally berates the girl for acting in an unladylike manner. Realizing that his burst out has not gained him any respect, Braithwaite changes tactics, deciding to interact with them as though they are adults with agency. He requires every girl be referred to as Miss, and that his students call him Sir. At first, the students find this level of difference ridiculous. However, they come around after only a few weeks, completely changing both their hygienic and their attitudes toward one another. To increase the class cultural exposure, Braithwaite takes them on field trips to museums and theaters, to which many of the students have never been. Similarly, Braithwaite's relationship with his students is tested many times. The novel centers around Braithwaite's growth as a character, from a selfish individual who merely seeks employment and lacks empathy, to a loving surrogate father of his students. Although his students frequently disappoint him, Braithwaite learns to forgive them and they in turn constantly surprise him with their maturity, empathy, and knowledge. So, this is what about the summary or the theme or the plot of the novel To Serve with Love. Now, actually, this is not included in your syllabus. Rather, chapter 17 is given in your textbook. So, we have to learn that chapter, but before knowing about this story or about this novel, we cannot go further. So, I have given you the story or the summary of this novel. In next video, we will see the chapter 17 or the actual text of our textbook.